Alright, we got a 2022 Buick Envision key fob. We need to replace the battery in it today. So your first step is to remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. You're going to hit the button right here that you have on the left, hold it down, and then you can pull out the emergency key. And once you have that out, you can use a small flathead screwdriver, or you can use the key if you like. We're going to put your screwdriver tool right in this slot that's right here. And we're just going to pry up on the door that's back here. Okay. Take it off. And then up here on the top, there's two slots that you can just pop the battery right out. Show you what size the battery is. It's a CR2450. That's the size. If you need one, you can look in the description box. There's a link that takes you to Amazon where you can pick one up. Cheap there. You get your new one, you just slide it in there just like that with the positive sign facing out towards us. And you get your back cover. Make sure it still has this rubber seal in place. They like to fall off sometimes. Slide this on the top first, like that. And then work your way down. And you get the emergency key, lock it in. If it stays, you're all done.